In this quick tech tip video, I want to show you how you can apply your brand to any template. So let's just go to templates and pick one. So here is a template from Canva. And if you go to brand, as long as you have your brand set up, you can shuffle through any of the colors and easily apply that to that graphic. So yeah, all you have to do is shuffle and you can get variations of whatever the design is to your brand colors. Of course, you can always select different areas of the graphic and apply your brand colors and then say change all. So it'll change any that are of a similar design. Easy peasy, but it can save you a lot of time.